Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this solar floodlight from Varmtalys. So we'll do unboxing and review and installing also. So start by opening this box. Solar panel which will charge the light. Some user manual on how to install them, which I will review and show you how to install them properly. Some bracket to hold this solar panel, I guess, and the actual solar panel. The actual solar floodlight. This is also adjustable, and also included with the remote. Alright. All we have to do is attach the solar panel. Then next one, we will connect this one to the actual light here. This one can be connected here. That's right. Okay, and then put this on clockwise. Yeah, so that's how it looks. There goes the light, and that's the charger, solar panel. So here it is now. I'm outside. I turn it on using the remote. You can see here the remote. This one is the on, and this one is the off. Turn it on. We will use this one, the infrared sensor. So now it's on the lowest lighting. You can see 5%, but if it senses or detected the person passing by, it will go to 165% lighting. And you can see here it has this red light, which means it's on infrared mode. You press it on for 3 hours or 3H. That red light will turn off, which means it is on a time indicated mode. So all of these are time indicated. This 6 hours auto, 3 hours, 4 hours plus PIR. So with the 4 hours plus PIR, it means after 4 hours it will be on for 4 hours, but after that it will be on infrared mode. Be up to here, really far.